This is how to install the Smart Thermostat from MRCOOL. First, power off the system by using either the master switch or the circuit breaker. Ensure that power to the system is completely off before proceeding. Next, remove your existing thermostat. If you find any of these indicators, contact support for assistance. Using your smartphone, take a photo of the existing wiring configuration. Disconnect the wiring and remove the mounting plate. Next, locate the wiring labels and begin labeling each wire. Pull the labeled wires through the hole in the middle of the backplate. Insert the top screw and make sure the plate is level and finish mounting the plate with the second screw. Now match the wiring into the corresponding terminals. And finally, align the MRCOOL Smart Thermostat with the backplate and press gently to attach it. Now let's go over the Smart Thermostat device controls. Mode indicates your current thermostat settings. Humidity displays the humidity levels in your home. Here is your current home temperature. These are your heating and cooling set points. The hold setting holds your current thermostat settings. Presets give you a quick access to home, away, and sleep settings. And menu allows you to adjust all system settings, device preferences, and more. And now for the app installation and registration. Start by downloading the MRCOOL Smart HVAC app using the corresponding QR code for Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Let's start by adding a new device. Click Smart Thermostat and give the necessary permissions and tap Continue. Once it finds your device, your thermostat will appear on the screen. Tap Connect. Now select the wires that match your labels from earlier. Make sure it says Conventional Heat and Conventional Cool. Select your heating source, fuel source, and fan control. Next, choose your preferred temperature unit, Fahrenheit or Celsius. Now give your device a name, and now let's personalize your comfort settings. Select your heating and cooling set points for home, away, and sleep. Once you've configured your settings, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. And there you have it, your thermostat registration is successful. And finally, let's go over the app controls. Similarly to the thermostat, you have your mode settings: heat, cool, auto, and off. Next to mode, you can customize your fan settings. In auto mode, set a timer or have it constantly running. Set your heating and cooling set points with the center dial, and the preset button gives you quick access to the home, away, or sleep settings. The hold settings overrides the save schedules of the thermostat. And now at the bottom navigation bar, you can create a schedule. You can customize your own or choose a preset schedule. Select the time, day of week, and your heating and cooling set points. In eSaver, you can set geofencing boundaries. This instructs the unit to automatically activate your preset when you reach a selected distance from home. You can set heating and cooling set points when you are on vacation, and you can add series shortcuts. The History tab provides you with insights into your system's operation and energy consumption. And finally, the Timeline tab allows you to view a complete list of actions performed on your AC unit. And now you're ready to use your MRCOOL Smart Thermostat alongside the MRCOOL Smart HVAC app. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.